Hello, back with Feed the Beast Infinity Involved. Today I'm going to be automating the blast furnace and the coke oven. So I've already had it in here and I made a video on it. Well, anyway, I'm remaking the video. The video of me making these two guys here, I showed what I had going on, but I didn't have these. Just changed it. They're preheaters. They heat up the blast furnace, and it makes it run a lot faster. And if I can get the book, and yeah, the preheaters, and it tells you all about how many RF it uses, and stage the air and heat. At any rate, I did that on my last video, showed that. So what I did here was I ran out of fluid conduit into a drum. And it's 256,000. I guess it doesn't megabytes. I guess it's gallons. It will hold. It's pretty. It'll hold a hell of a lot. You get to the bedrock once you really get a lot. So what I did was in order to run this thing, I put a item conduit. What I'm eventually planning to do is just run it in the wall, come up over top, and then drop down into it. So I don't have all this hanging out. Or maybe it doesn't matter if it bothers you being there. So you come up to the top of it, and when you put it in, you just insert it. And I'm going to do the same thing over on this one. And that's just going to insert whatever comes out of here. So let's go ahead and hook some of this stuff up. Got two more of these preheaters. Plus I got to put power to them. And I'm going to have to figure out a way to hide them. For now I'm probably going to have laying on the floor for the moment. So I got these belts. Need my hammer. And when it discharges on this side, it'll discharge the coal. So let's go ahead and get this hooked up, and then just use your hammer to turn them around. Okay, so we got them all. They're going to come in on both sides. They're going to roll down this belt. And then we're going to run up the other side of it with belts. Damn, I'm a little close to the wall here. Oh, I didn't know you could do it up in the air. Ain't that something? So you got to put one underneath it. Well, I guess that tells you how you get it up there. If you get this hopper thing. If you get the one's got a hopper, you put the hopper on it, it'll run down the hopper and drop one. But I'm not going to worry about all that. Come all the way up through here. I'll fix that hole when I'm done. It's about right here. And then we're just going to turn all these the same way, and I shouldn't have to turn that one. And then we'll turn that one the right way. Turn that one the right way. So now they connect. Turn that one the right way. We get confused looking at this. So that look good. We right down it. Hello. Alright. What I did was at the bottom I got a vacuum chest for inner eye. And I'm going to put her right here. And that's just going to drop right into that vacuum thing. So you can probably use the hopper. I couldn't get it to work. So figure out where it is. There it is. So we just need to break these guys off. And what I have is things set up, just going right straight into my system. So I'm going to put this on extract. Always active. Alright, let me put some S4 back then. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need more floor. Wow. Hell, I thought I'd just use that face conduit. Because I can get my face conduit. I'll do that later. I think it'll hurt anything being down there. Alright, so now we have them hooked up. Now we got to figure out where we get a power. So for now, I'm just going to run the power down the side, then I'm just going to put it in the floor. Let's see. Now this. Oh yeah, they get hooked up on top. Alright. Should remember that. Let me get my power out. If I can find a spot to stop. There we go. So we'll slap one here. Insert. Always active. No. Alright. Should be able to just rad right down this conduit for now. We'll put that one on. Insert. Always active. So guys are already hooked up. They don't look right, but so we're here. Insert always active. I don't know why I was clicking on that, but so now that one there should be hooked up. Let's see. I just need to come off of it one more time. And put that one on. Insert. Now I'm just going to throw my test rack that I'm using right here. Put that on extract. Always active. So is that thing kicking on? Alright, so let's see what we have. All the stuff I'm going to get is going to run right into my inner system here. See, I got a 291. So we need some iron. Let me clean some of this up. And you get slag out. Put that aside. I think I have more of that. Yep, there's some right there. Be 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and then let's get a few of them. All right. So I got this on extract, so it's gonna pull out the coat when it's done. So it probably takes 2 of these to keep up with one of these. Okay, then I'm going to put my iron in here. And what it's going to do, off to the back, I have extract on it, always active. So it's going to bring it to the nearest ones and fill it up. So now we're just waiting on some coat. And then we be good. Excuse me. And all of them should leave. And now we should be using the coat. That's the thing. This one here's got to fill up first. So this one here's going to run. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and fill this one up. What I have. And then the next couple that come out there, it's going to go to this one. So both fans are running. And let me, it already put out a piece of steel. Let me take off my electromagnet. Alright, should be able to get ready to kick one out. And there it is. And it should run right down the belt. Oh, let me get a little too close. Then that's going to run into that. I put the vacuum hopper on a radius of 1, or the range of 1. So it just be like the one. I think it's just one block there. Back up a little bit. Let's see, it's picking it up. See, and it's going back into my system. Okay, this one here should be, it's just getting the coke now. This one here should be still close to being full. And I'm getting too close. Because it's got the steel ingots. So that is cool shit. So now when there's got 2 pieces of coke, and now it should start keeping up a little bit. But that is cool shit. So that's how I did it. I mean, there's better ways of doing it, I guess. But I'm using Enros. I just figured if you're going to get a lot of steel, you're not going to need a million pieces of steel or even thousands. To make some of this stuff in here, it's going to take you a lot of steel. If you don't have it, you're going to have to run your old system. This seems like it'd be easier to get the steel to make this, but it's not like that. So that's how I did it. And it's working pretty good. And the fans actually speed it up. So next thing I'm going to make is the canning machine. Because now I got all this grease total. I guess I'm going to need to can it up or however I need to put it together. So thanks for watching.